in mathematics and scientific logic. Basic particles are basic particles. They all have similar characteristics. They're indivisible. They behave like waves. They have a wave-particle duality and stuff like that. They can be grouped as basic particles. Similar numbers in mathematics also have the same characteristics, It means the proofs of a characteristics of a number, that proof of a characteristics must apply to all numbers in the set, because a set has a basic characteristics. For example, take the general proof around the characteristics of the number 9. This proof must hold with other numbers with the same characteristics as number 9. Take the simple proof of a number is divisible by 9 if and only if the sum of its digits are divisible by 9. To prove this must hold with all other numbers of the same nature. The proof is as follows. We have a whole number x. Our x has digits an minus 1, a3, a2, a1, and a0. Thus, x can be written as 10 to the power of n, an, plus 10 to the power of n minus 1, an minus 1, plus 1000 a3, plus 100 a2, plus 100 a1, plus a0. That is our x. Now, it's any number, any whole number. But now we assume x is divisible by 9, a major assumption. So we can have another number y, which is 9999.9 an plus 9999 n 1 minus 1 a plus that a 999 a3 99 a2 9 a1 equals y, because y is also divisible by 9, as you can see. So we get x minus y equals v, and x minus y will equal an plus, because 10 minus this will give us 1, so that just the 1 is left over. V must also be divisible by 9. Now this, I will not be doing the rest of the proof. This is where we get to science. Just for your interest, 9 times 17 equals 153, and when we add 1 plus 5 plus 3, we get 9, and 9 is divisible by itself. So this is just part of the proof, because then you got to go backwards. But let us generalize this logic. We have P, a number P, and P is an element of D. D is the set of single digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is what D is. Assume X is divisible by P. Our X we got at the top here. Let us assume now it is divisible by P. Using the same logic for 9, P dash PPAN plus PAN minus 1 plus PPA3 plus PPA2 plus PA1 equals Y. X minus Y equals V. V must also be divisible by P, since X and Y are divisible by P. This proof is a characteristics of the number 9. It's not a proof of number 9. Let us see if it works with all the other numbers. P equals 7. Instead of P equaling 9, we say P equals 7. So our V will be 10 to the power of 9 minus 777.7 an plus 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 777 n minus 1 plus 1000 minus 777 a3 plus 100 minus 77 a2 plus 10 minus 7 a1 plus a0, And there's our P, our Y equals, our Y will be 222 dash 23 AN 2 plus 222 dash 23 AN minus 1 plus 223 A3. Remember, 100 minus 1000 minus 777 will give us 223. 100 minus 77 will give us 23. 10 minus 7 will give us 3. And then we get our A0. Does it work? 7 times 17 equals 119. Now from our 23 A1 times 1 from our 119 plus 3, our 3 from there, times 1, our 10, plus our A0, which would be 9, plus 9. So we get 23 plus 3 plus 9 equals 35. And 35 is clearly divided by 7. So the proof of a characteristics of 9 clearly holds with the number 7. And we can do it for, let's say, P equals 8. We get our V equals 10 N minus 8 AN, 10N to the power of minus 1 to the power of N minus 1 minus 8 N to AN minus 1 plus 1000 minus 888 A3 plus 100 minus 88 A2 plus 10 minus 8 A1. And we get 111 12 AN plus 111 12 AN minus 1 plus 125 A3, 112 A3, that's 1000 minus 888 plus 12 A2, that's 100 minus 88 plus 2A2, 12 A3, 2A2, which is 10 minus 8 plus A0. 8 times 17, we get 136. 12 times 1, this 12, times this 1, plus 2 times 3, plus 6. So we get 12 plus 6 equals 24, and 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So the general rule holds for 8. While one will find that this proof for 9 works with all the numbers, with all the digits 1 to 9. It is it has to be a general characteristics, because the proof of the number 9 is adding something and you get 9. But that is just the characteristics, and the characteristics hold with all the numbers if we take the same proof and apply it to any digit. What does this mean? Nature does not defy itself. You know, the thing coming out of a magnet is not the magnet. It's like saying the light coming out of a candle is the candle. You know, no, it's not. The light coming out of a lamp is not the lamp. You understand? The characteristics have to be the same, just like in maths. You can't then say, oh no, it must be unique only to 9, or it's proof of all of them, but it doesn't work with number 4. No, it has to work with number 4. It has to work with number 7, as it works with number 9, the general layout of the proof. So, you know, you don't do things for your own political desire in science and then call people anti-intellectual when you are acting out of your political desire. That thing coming out of a magnet is not the magnet itself. It's not mystery. It's something that must behave like all basic things.